Grandmother, can you tell me a story about the birth of the stars in the sky? Can you tell me where they hide when the sun come rise with the glorious shine? Can you tell me about the moon, where it sits up in the dark, lonely night, where it glows? Can you tell me about the clouds that are slowly moving by on a luxurious float? Yeah, alright, come on. Grandmother, can you tell me a story about the kids running around on the farm? Can you tell me about your brothers and your sisters and your mom and your dad and their God? Can you tell me about the times when my dad got into fights, no matter if he won or lost? Because I know when he got home you probably kicked his little ass, 'cause you're the champion of the world. Oh hell yeah, Grandma.